In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get your Jira API URL, which is essential if you're planning to integrate Jira with other tools or automate tasks. First, open your browser and log into your Jira account. The cloud version usually looks like your company.atlassian.net. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where your base Jira URL is displayed. The part you need is everything up to .atlassian.net, since that forms the foundation for all REST API calls. For example, if your domain is myteam.atlassian.net, your API base URL will be https://myteam.atlassian.net/rest/API/3/. And from there, you can add endpoints to fetch issues, create updates, or manage projects. I recommend saving this base URL in a safe place or API tool like Postman for quick access. And that's it. You've just learned how to find your Jira API URL in seconds. In today's